Hey guys, welcome back to the Two Remy Boys basketball team. I'm here. I'm going to my friend's house, the All-Star Gaming team. I'm part of them, but I have my own YouTube, so I'm going to be putting my iPad in a plastic bag. The view might be a little bit blurry, guys. Here, that. So, and then in here, like so. No. Time to record, ladies. Turn that. Might be a little blurry, but. See? By the way, guys, please like and comment down below. Please, guys, I'm really doing something. So I can get that on. See, here's my gaming all-star friend. This is his house. I'm just gonna ring the doorbell, so be quiet, guys. Okay. He's not home, so I'll go to the second gaming all-star friend's house. It's over here. I bet he's home. This guy isn't home. There's really nobody else to go to. I guess I'll get that blue card. He's home. Yeah, see, sorry, it's a little blurry. This stuff. No worries. Oh god, he has like a box here. That's his dad's car. His mom must be that one. Ring the doorbell. I hear somebody. Can you play? No, I can't play inside. Okay, I'm making a YouTube video. Say hi. Hi. We're going yeah. You want to go to your house? You want to go to your house? Sure. How? Holly, tell us who you're cheering for to win the Super Bowl.
Pittsburgh and Falcons.
Oh, you ain't cheering for the Patriots? Look, I got your jersey. Patriots. You want to go get the other gaming all-star? You want to go get the other gaming all-star, or should we just leave them and go to my house?
Go to yours.
Okay, sure we don't want to go to get the other gaming all-star, because we don't need him to like my video. So let's go try to get the other gaming all-star. I'll just wait. Going to get the other gaming all-star. Yeah. That gaming all-star over there in the blue house wasn't there. But me and him have our own YouTube channels. Mac had his own, but then he didn't really go out and deleted it and stuff. So sorry if the thingy is a little blurry. I'll add some music and stuff. It'll be nice. Sorry, it's really bright. I'll shine it over there. Yeah, you can see pretty good. Yes, really bright. I can see the plastic bag. This is probably not going to be a good video though. Running through the rain. Well, we're not really running, we're just walking. Did you know Pittsburgh's playing Patriots today? That's why I got my Tom Brady jersey on. I really wanted it to be Green Bay versus Pittsburgh and Atlanta versus Patriots. Well, that's what my dad told me, and he was wrong. So
Yeah, it's Atlanta versus Packers.
Atlanta versus Packers. Yeah, this guy has his own thing. Like me, I'm the Two Remy Boys. This is like the Two Remy Boys basketball team. That's my parents staying with him, and like he lives in that blue house over there, but he's not home. So. I'm not gonna show you like that.
Look at that dog. Look at that dog.
Oh my goodness. Here, I'll stand right here. I don't think he's home. He's at church. Because the red car, their juke isn't there. Just don't, let's go to back. Let's go home. There's Kirk in the window. Kirk Gibson. Hey man, do you want to know the worst, you want to know the worst football player alive? Huh? You want to know the worst football player alive? He plays for the Redskins. It's a sub QB, like a substitution QB. If Kirk Cousins ever gets hurt, he's like, they have to put in QB, like they only have like one substitution. He's really bad. I don't know his name. I forgot. Matt, there's this guy named Eric who tried to like do my thing. I just said hi, and I just walked him. Here, I heard people at his house. I'll still try to ring it. Yes, my dad went over there. Mac is 44 years old.
No, like whatever.
And I'm 42. And Jackson's 43. Yeah, and I'm good on this. I'm 42. He's 43. And I need to. This is like 7. I got ring all over me, guys. See, look at that. It's like so dark up here. It's about to start raining. Oh, somebody's. Skirt.
You was home yesterday.
He's not home. Here, one more. Yeah, if he doesn't read this,
Yeah, it's not home.
let's just read it one more time. If he's, yeah, I don't think so. Sorry, it might be a little down. Matt, I know, how is this like so wet? What if it floods back there? I'm gonna go kick this soccer ball. That's just a good day. I said, oh, it's going in, it's going in. Oh, so flipping close, guys. Here's Matt. He's walking as cuckoo as normal. Yeah, I know. I should have taken this a little bit harder, and it was probably a curve. Hey, Mac, watch this. Water! Guys. That was water. You wanted to know. It's so pouring. We're soaked right now. I got so was better from going to GameStop yesterday for $20. You can play it. It's so fun. Watch it.
was that?
Here, let's turn the light on here. So it's kind of dark in here. We're gonna do it out here. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. We're gonna go show you up here real quick, and then the video will be done.
My snort
This is kind of longer than
My
usual.
snort is louder when my nose is stuffed.
This is usually not as long. Like, see, we're going up to the All-Star Gaming's hideout. Like, yeah, so you can see down there and stuff. Turn that on.
I like this. Wait, Charlie.
Here.
I'll get one.
Oh, God.
But you know there's gonna be a tornado warning.
Probably. Yeah, it's really windy. So,
And
oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah. I don't know about a tornado, but definitely a flash flood. Actually, not a flash flood, but I know it's probably going to be a little floody, but not like the best. So I'm going to show you two of my games again, guys. I mean, these games are just like best games in the world. The other two, Remy Boys, Jackson hooked me up with these. That game, and I got this Ark Evolves crap. Yeah, I don't really know how to see
let's
it.
play this one.
Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.